everyone. Myself Srivalyadi here from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, pursuing in 4th SEM CSC. Here the subject is discrete mathematical structures, and the topic we are going to discuss about the rules of sum and product. Here we are going to discuss the introduction of the rules of sum and product. The rules of sum and product mainly includes the fundamental principles in combinatorics, and they are mainly used to count the number of ways to arrange or select the items in various scenarios. Here we can understanding these rules is essential for solving problems in probability and mainly statistics. Here the sum rule is explained. It mainly states that if there are many multiple ways to perform a different task, the total number of ways should be choose one task is sum of the individual tasks. Here we can take the example like a task A can be done in 3 ways and task B can be done in 4 ways. And the total number of tasks will be adding the task A and task B, which is 3 and 4. It will lead to 7. This rule applies when these tasks are mutually exclusive and their meaning cannot happen at the same time. Here we can see the constant multiple sum rule. These rules are obtained for the finding the derivatives of total. The rules for the derivatives of the basic function such as x power n, cos x, sin x, e power x and so forth. And the rule for the law to find the derivative of functions which build up the simplifier functions, and we already know the derivatives. For example, a rule tell us to find the derivatives of e power x cos x, where we know the derivatives of e power x and cos x. These two rules we get in this section. And the constant multiple rule and the sum rule are of the second type. Here we can see the words of derivative of constant type. Example, or the time derivative of the put another way, multiples of the simplified outside derivatives of the processes. For the instance, here is formula. Here next you can see the product rule explained. The product rule states mainly that if there are multiple independent tasks, the total number of ways should perform the all tasks is the product number of ways to perform each task. If, for instance, if the task A can be done in 3 ways and task B can be done in 4 ways, the total number of combinations is equal to 3 into 4 is equal to 12. These crucial when dealing with the scenarios where multiple choices need to be simultaneously. Combining the rules of sum and product can be combined for most complex counting problems. For example, if we have two tasks and one can be completed in multiple ways and another can be completed independently, you can apply the both rules. This combination allows for comprehensive counting techniques and the various applications. It includes the probability games and decision making processes. Here we get the applications for examples. An example for sum rule can be illustrated that with a menu choice like choosing an appetizer 3 options and dessert as 2 options. It will leave 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 choices. An example of the product rule can be involve password creation scenario. It choose the 2 letters and the 2 numbers leading to 26 into 2 and 10 into 2. And are the combinations. These are the real-life applications include a scheduling task, organizing events, and determining the probabilities in games of chances. Here we can chances. Here we can see the conclusion and the key takeaways that has performed the application of the sum and rules for sum and product rule. It is vital, effective. It is a combinatorially counting. The mastery of the rules enhance the problem solving. Skills can be related fields, and these master the rules which enhance the problem solving skills, which will plays a critical mind role. And applying this, the sum of product rule, it is in various applications has been done. It is plays vital role. Has been used in everywhere, and applying these rules is correctly is mainly important to simplify the counting the problems and which give the accurate results which perform. This is a conclusion. Thank you.